अमन्त्रक्षरो नास्ति, नास्ति मूलम अनौषधम, अयोग्य पुरुषो नास्ति, योजकः तत्र दुर्लभः. The late 20th century saw the rise of management education in India. The demand for graduates in management, particularly those holding the MBA degree, increased manifold during the late 80s and 90s and has kept on going up ever since. At the same time, India made rapid strides in information technology, necessitating the establishment of computer applications-related programs at the graduate and postgraduate levels. Midsom College was established in 2004 to conduct University of Pune affiliated undergraduate courses in Bachelor of Business Administration (BBA), Bachelor of Business Management International Business (BBM-IB) and Bachelor of Computer Applications (BCA). It is also recognized for its postgraduate course in Computer Applications (MCA).
That enablement or empowerment is one of the strengths of Midsom College. Thereby no wonder that not only from India but students from abroad also feel this as a dream destination and they long for, or rather they aspire for getting admission into this.
Midsom College has created several value-added programs. Executive Director Shri Rahul V. Karad, a visionary youth leader, provides us a holistic perspective of the scope and focus of the MIT Group.
Yes, we are the information center, knowledge centers where we are giving information about the various subjects and various disciplines of education. But this institution has always emphasized that we want to give a holistic education wherein the boys and girls from graduate level to postgraduate level, when they pass out from this institution, they come out with a difference.
Midsom College conducts a 10-day residential NSS camp every year. Students enjoy the pleasure of joining numerous clubs and conducting various activities. Midsom College is a part of the Myers MIT Group of Institutions, founded in 1983 by the visionary educationist and ambassador of peace, Professor Dr. Vishwanath D. Karad, when he established its flagship institute, the Maharashtra Institute of Technology, as amongst the first unaided private engineering colleges in Maharashtra. Dr. Karad believes in developing the all-round personality of the students.
When I say value-based universal education system, every student, if he has to develop himself and develop his winning personality in his life, they should be physically fit, mentally alert, intellectually sharp and spiritually elevated persons.
Myers MIT Group of Institutions imparts quality education in multiple academic disciplines, including engineering, medicine, management, marine engineering, school and college education, politics, design, and many more.
At Midsom College, the teaching methodology is an ideal blend of the traditional lecture method supplemented by case studies, industry visits, as well as an ideal blend of industry-institute interface with regular guest lectures and seminars. As a result of which, since 2007, nearly 42 of our students have stood in the merit list of Pune University.
Now we have an academic tie-up with many foreign universities in USA, in Australia, England, Netherlands, etc. These kind of facilities are very rare at the undergraduate level, where they get some kind of a training to be on their own and look forward for their post-graduation and career in the industry.
In MIT, you get a global standard education system. Moreover, the various events like the Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad and other intercollegiate events turned around my life and brought the much needed confidence, which is actually a lifetime achievement for me.
Midsom College is situated in the MIT campus, Pune, which is spread over 60 acres of greenery and is dotted with buildings with some of the finest architectural designs, including large multi-storied buildings, playgrounds, canteen, computer labs, state-of-the-art Wi-Fi zone, and well-stocked library with e-library content.
I was blessed to be in this college. Good ambience, good infrastructure, good teachers, good alumni. Had each and every kind of help whenever we needed, and it was just a blessing to be here.
MBAuniverse.com has rated Mitsom College as the #1 management college in Maharashtra. The college lays great emphasis on the all-round development of the students. Throughout the year, the college conducts a number of co-curricular and extracurricular activities that contribute to the holistic development of the students. This is also witnessed by the trophies, awards and accolades they get from participating in different tournaments.
Mitsom College has instilled a sense of confidence and responsibility to identify my goals. The training, the education, the extracurricular activities and last but not the least the faculty have helped me achieve what I am today.
Mitsom College has an envious placements record. This is largely because of the academic readiness of the students and the efforts taken by the faculty and staff to make them fit for the selection process.
So today where I am standing is all because of the Mitsom College, and I am greatly thankful to them.
At Mitsom College, excellence is a way of life.
Every student is allotted a teacher mentor. These faculties are highly experienced and qualified. Many of them are MPhil, PhDs with postdoctoral experience in teaching at undergraduate and postgraduate level.
To develop students with winning personalities and make them truly global citizens has been the aim of this college.
At Mitsom College,
We lay the foundation
For creating
the top-notch managers of tomorrow.